You think by now that I would have learned not to play with fire. If I don't wanna get burned, but I'm a pyromaniac and your things are full of gas. You're burning higher, higher. I'm starting this wire fire.